Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Nerds channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix Facebook professional mode turn on off problem. First of all, open the Facebook app. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen and tap on your name. You can see here three dots next to edit profile. Tap on it. Scroll down. You can see here turn on professional mode. Tap on it and tap on turn on and tap on continue and go back from the professional mode setup. If you are facing issue with a professional mode on Facebook and having trouble turning it on or off, you can try the general troubleshooting steps. First of all, update the Facebook app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Facebook. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Restart the Facebook app, close the Facebook app completely and reopen it. This can help refresh the app and resolve temporary glitches. After that, clear app cache. For that, open the phone setting and in setting, scroll down, tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps. In manage apps, search for Facebook. In app info of Facebook, you can see here storage, tap on it. In the bottom, you can see here clear data, tap on it, and from pop-up, tap on clear cache. After that, go back from the storage of Facebook. Check for app permission. For that, tap on app permission. Ensure that the Facebook app has the necessary permissions. Check permissions such as camera, microphone, and storage. Tap on allow, tap on allow, tap on allow. Sometimes new features are rolled out gradually. Check the Facebook app setting to see if there are any new options related to a professional mode. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.